Hello there, NotSoEpicGeek here, and this is a tutorial on the last two videos I've made. So the last two videos, the first one of them was the latest was an illusion I've been practicing with a mix of a trick one of my friends showed me and a thing I saw on Scam School. Scam School specific, by the way. The first thing is, or the other video, the first one I put out of these magic videos was a video of me doing a card trick where I randomly pop the card out of the deck, which I'm going to show now. What I did was I forced Ace of Spades, but we're just going to use this card. The way I forced it was I kept the card down under here and said stop, and then this is your card, and smack them together, and here it was. But whatever, that's not important. The important part is the way I force this thing to the bottom. So what I do is I put it in just about halfway and just put it in here, and I press upwards with the card so I get a little bend, like a little break. And what I do is I just see if I do a double undercut and make sure the card on the break is on the bottom. So the card is on the bottom. Then what I do is I do a riffle shuffle where I make sure the bottom card stays bottom. And then I just show them the top card and say, is this your card? And they say no, and you're like, fuck. Yeah, cursing like a mouse. I'm not Irish, so I have no excuse. But then you say, okay, I'm just gonna try and use my psychic abilities. You grab here, Bill Grip, with 3 fingers. I don't use my pinky at all, except if I'm palming. And you use these 2 fingers here. You wanna grab with your index finger and use your middle finger and ring finger to slide the card out this way and get a break here. Get a break like this. And then you wanna just slide your hand back, grab here, and just push forward, like how it's gonna look in motion. This is how the spectator is gonna see it. I've been doing this for some time, but what you wanna do is you go out, get a break. This is kind of my view, it's really awkward, and then you just push it out and grab it like this. Sounds real weird, but okay, on to the next thing, the illusion I uploaded earlier today, which is, okay, I get most of you guessed this thing. It requires a blank card. Like I don't have done that well. I couldn't make the other card just blank, but what I do is I put the blank in the second top card, so it's the top card, and I put here. So what I do is I push forward like this, make sure to turn it downward so you cannot see it, and I would do this part of my hand here. I grab the blank card and pull out. This kinda takes some skill, and I pull it back, push this top card back, and put it over. Just practice that a bit, and that's really easy. The other part is you have to be able to do a fan. I don't care if it's thumb fan, or I prefer thumb fan. I suck at pressure fans, but what you want to do is you want to do it opposite, like this. So it doesn't show the pips or numbers on the cards. Just do that, practice that a bit every day. It took me 12 tries today to do it, so yeah. I actually have a pretty epic one where I literally start up, it's 5-second draw. I'm probably going to put this at the end, where I sit like this, yeah. Hello there, NotSoEpicGeek here. I'm going to do an illusion, and this thing dies forward. And you just see this blank card right here. So I just go fuck, and yeah, I'm probably gonna put that in the end. So see you if you like the video, dislike, or else I know where you live. You one alone guy who has no friends except me, who I don't know what I actually do, but I know where you live. I'm gonna come to your house if you do not dislike this video and give you macaroni and cheese or something, or pancakes. Where the fuck's the camera? Shoo! Get back. Hello, Daniel JB again. This is an illusion I've been practicing. The fuck this